Meet Guesty ReplyAI, an adaptive AI-enabled reply system that understands context, mirrors your unique style, and ensures consistent, deeply intuitive communication experiences for your guests. Seamlessly woven into our unified inbox, choose from ready-made replies or fine-tune one to perfection. Incoming messages can be translated for effortless, barrier-free communication. But there's more. ReplyAI analyzes the sentiment of incoming messages, helping you gauge the mood and tone of your guests' inquiries so you can reply accordingly. To start using, log into Guesty. Click the inbox icon at the top. Pick a conversation. Press ReplyAI in the reply box to opt in. Activate now. If you want to learn more, feel free to continue browsing our help center. Thanks for watching.